Okay, so let's start with tags in objects. What are the tags? Let's say you work in the building site, name James site, and you are using the same thing, the same hob on all plots. Let's say you've got a 20 plots. You don't have to then manually search for each individual object that you want to use on this site. You can create a tag that you will assign multiple objects to that tag, which will help you quickly filter all objects that are assigned to this building site. So let's say we want to use ARX 160. We will create a tag James site. All right, we will add that tag and we have that sync. Let's say we are using also that hob, which is 754.90 on this side. We already created that tag, so we can just assign this tag to that hob. That's it. That's all is done. Then if you want to filter for that specific tag, you're just going to filter, selecting James site, and you have access to quickly both of the objects you have assigned to the site, and you can create many tags which are going to be very helpful during the templating.